We're on our way between Death Valley and the Bristlecone Pine, and we're in Big Pine, California, and stopped at Brewed Awakening for a quick break and a cup of coffee. This place is really good. So if you're ever coming through the area, I recommend you take a minute or two to stop by this place. The coffee was great. We had a breakfast sandwich. Everything was really good. We stopped by the ancient Bristlecone section of the White Mountains in the Inyo National Forest. This area is really interesting. The Bristlecone Pine is actually the oldest tree in the world. There's some of the trees in here dating back 4,000 years. So it's really an interesting spot. The trees grow very slowly. We read back here that the growth rings are so close together that you can have 100 years of growth in an inch on the tree. I think that's right. And the soil erosion, they lose a foot of soil every 1,000 years. So it's a very harsh climate. These trees are one of the only things that are growing up here. They seem to adapt and thrive in this kind of environment. So it's definitely cool to stop by and see this. You only see it in 3 places in the US. Here in California, over in Bryce Canyon in Utah, and a section of Nevada. Up on White Mountain, we're taking a shot down into the valley. I wanted to show you the haze. That is actually smoke from the fires north of here. And the locals have said that that is clearing up a bit, but as you can see, it's still quite heavy. I'm leaving the Bristlecone instead of driving back down to Big Pine. We decided to do a cut across on the Silver Canyon Road, which is listed as a difficult 4x4 road. So we're curious to see what lies ahead of us. But so far it's just a rough road, but has some spectacular views. So we're gonna kick back and enjoy this 15-mile road and see where we go. this is the first water we've seen in about 4 days. We've been crisscrossing the same stream coming down out of the mountain here. It looks like it's flowing pretty well. We just came around the corner and had 4 mountain sheep in the road in front of us, and we spooked them up the hill. We're kind of near the bottom now. It's really a nice trail.